Hello friends, I hope you are looking for a best robot vacuum cleaner. So you have clicked this video. In this video we will discuss robot vacuum cleaner which are best sold and achieved top rated reviews from customers. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Eufy by Anker RoboVac G30 Edge. Neither carpeting nor low furniture can stop the Eufy RoboVac G30 Edge. Its slim, 2.85-inch tall design fits under most furniture, while its large wheels ease transitions from hard flooring to low or medium pile carpeting. The path tracking sensor ensures that the G30 Edge adapts to change of surfaces while remaining on the most efficient route to clean each room. With 2000 pascals of suction power, it ensures more debris is picked up across all surfaces, giving you noticeably cleaner floors. The advanced brushless motor significantly reduces vacuuming noise, and when the job is done, check out where and when your RoboVac cleaned on the app's cleaning history. The 9 built-in infrared sensors ensure the RoboVac is constantly aware of its surroundings and able to detect the boundaries you set, confirming it only cleans the areas you want. While in use, control the G30 Edge using your voice via Alexa or Google Assistant. Helpful voice prompts inform you of the RoboVac's current status and guide you through any problems that may occur. Running quietly for up to 100 minutes at a time, the RoboVac auto docks when it's finally out of juice. 5 cable ties are provided to help you better organize wires and power cords when using the RoboVac. About this item. Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0. With the path tracking sensor, Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0 allows for purposeful cleaning when compared to random path robotic vacuums. 2000 pascals of hard-hitting suction. The ultra-strong 2000 pascals of suction power ensures more debris is picked up across all surfaces, giving you noticeably cleaner floors. Number 2. iRobot Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum. As iRobot's top-of-the-line model, the Roomba S9 Plus Robot Vacuum is packed with features. It empties itself and is supported by an app that allows you to effortlessly schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and customize your cleaning experience, including pairing it with the iRobot Braava Jet M6, sold separately, to mop after it finishes its vacuum cycle. In testing, the Roomba S9 Plus performed the best of any robot vac on hardwood flooring. After the cleaning cycle, there was only a trace of flour left. Its D-shaped design came within an inch and a half of the corner, picking up everything it could reach. On carpeting, the performance was still solid with only about 10% of the flour left, 5% of the kitty litter, and no coffee grounds or pet hairs to be found after testing. The unit didn't get stuck in our testing area either. At 77 decibels, about as loud as a busy city street, on high suction power, the S9 Plus was by far the loudest model we tested, and even in quiet mode, the vacuum is not unnoticeable. Additionally, the vac got within an inch of the carpeted corner, but it left behind about 70% of the flour, which suggests it doesn't do as well picking up fine debris on carpeting, especially in areas the main brushes have trouble reaching. Installation was easy, but it took about 25 minutes. Most of that time was spent installing firmware updates after connecting to the app. Number 3. iRobot Braava Jet 240 Superior Robot Mop. If a robot vacuum sounds like your idea of convenience, chances are you'll like this robotic mop as well. At 3.3 inches high, the Braava Jet is designed to sweep and mop those hard-to-reach spots on hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and concrete floors. The precision jet spray and vibrating cleaning head help tackle dirt around toilets, corners, and below cabinets by using an efficient and systematic cleaning pattern. Choose a cleaning pad, wet, damp, or dry, that corresponds to the type of cleaning you need based on your floor type, and the Braava Jet automatically sets the appropriate cleaning mode. For a long-lasting scent, add the Braava Jet hard floor cleaning solution, and when the robot's work is done, carry it to the trash, press the pad eject button, and release the disposable cloth into the garbage can. Number 4. Eufy RoboVac 30C Robot Vacuum Cleaner. RoboVac may be super slim, but it's packed with a 3-point cleaning system, Boostic technology, and up to 1,500 pascals of suction power to ensure your floors and carpets are clear of all dirt, dust, and crumbs. And with Wi-Fi built in, you can accomplish all your cleaning needs from your smartphone. Features: Wi-Fi convenience. The Eufy Home app and Amazon Alexa and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. Worry-free cleaning. Set boundary strips in the robotic vacuum cleaner's slim 2.85 body with upgraded to 1500 pascal suction only, cleans the areas you want. Boostic technology. The robotic vacuum cleaner will automatically increase suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed so you get the best clean. A quiet clean. Up to 100 minutes of constant powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave from this robotic vacuum cleaner. Power consumption 40 watts. What you get? RoboVac 30C, 13.2 feet boundary strips, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and our worry-free 12-month warranty. Number 5. Shark AV911's as Robot Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a lower maintenance option, the Shark AV911's as Robot Vacuum is for you. It works quickly and efficiently, rarely gets stuck, and has a large dustbin in its base station that only needs to be emptied about once a month. About this products, forget about vacuuming. The bagless, self-emptying base holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. Incredible suction, deep cleaning power to tackle large and small debris, and pet hair. Row by row cleaning, methodically cleans row by row, room to room for complete coverage. Recharge and resume, it returns to the base, recharges, and can pick up where it left off. Perfect for pets, the multi-stage filtration system captures dust, dander, and allergens. App voice control, easily start cleaning with Google Assistant, Alexa, or one tap in the app. Multi-surface cleaning, multi-surface brush roll pulls in dirt and debris from carpets and floors. Handle edges and corners, with its dual spinning side brushes, no debris is safe. What's included? Shark as Robot, self-empty base, 2 side brushes and filter. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, please like, share and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box for products link.